Hey guys, let's chart some more. Let me check my sound. Uh, yeah, it's unvolumed. It's not in the right place. Still would be all right for a quick um, quick day trade from this level of the hour. We don't see exhaustion at all. It's unvolumed. The volume died. What I wanted to go through is the rest of the list. Ooh. Charging from my phone. um, Even more so year and months. Yep. HP. It's a big volume. Looks like an exhaustion. Let me show you the trick. Fine. Another takeaway from 4 hours with my trading coach was that I should stop flirting with arithmetic. 0.5. Boom. Why did I disqualify it from? It's too low. That's true. The volume is too big, right? It's big. And yet, don't, it's here. For something sweeter short on first of all, it's continuation of the trend. Secondly, it should be quick. Yeah. Yep. Because this volume is not terrible, you know? This transitioning from is not right because it's on the other side of the who knows what this new scale power corporation is up to, from $1, from $2 to 60 and back to 14. Why? I'm wondering why I even have this stock. This guy, I also disqualified it. Why? I don't know. Don't ask me. Doesn't look horrible. Doesn't look horrible. We have bigger volumes, but those volumes are at the level. Oops, I'm sorry. So yeah, and from the last approach, it's like an exhaustion. So I don't know why I'm so sad against ARKK. That was a steep drop, like for real. Uh, we'll remove this. Yeah, also, I already know why I don't like this. What is it I don't like? It's right there at the level. It's right there. And actually, it's all three time frames. I don't know why I am so hostile. Hostile, probably. Not hostile. Towards the Emerson Electric. And it gives us a volume. Not much of a volume here. Absence of volume on volume T1. But pretty volumed um, interaction, I'd say. Of course, the yeah. And where's this volume anyway? It's all yeah, it's all here. February. So yeah, maybe not. So like the geometry is good, but not the volume. And we do price, volume, and bar analysis. We combine all three. What's going on here? Why is this thing like absolutely uncharted? It's correction. Well, here. Then, yeah, that's pretty much it. Look how beautiful. Look how beautiful it was. It's like, that didn't go down. Sorry. Should be on the months. Why do I not see it on the months? Oh, there we go. So here, that's our sign of strength. A few odd things happened here. So this was the level that didn't hold for months, and still it gives us an opportunity to get our. So ever since it's in correction on year chart, we cannot continue the monthly chart long. Excuse my broken English. And we have 0.5. You see, it's not a... This volume is weird, but still it holds, you know? For what it's worth. And here we go, right at the level. 1 bar reversal, most unlikely, but volume distribution is not the best. Something like that. 20th of February. I'm not sure this volume is real because the bar has no spread. Something like this, actually. So, not too bad for a short trade. I mean, quick trade, but short as well. What is it? I don't like it. Yeah, it's a monthly. It needs to break. It did break, obviously, but Baba. To the level. Boom. Yeah. Not for investment trade, but for swing. It's right for swing. Ba-ba-ba-ba-bum. Ba-bum-bum. What it would be like. I don't know. The heck is going on here? Close in the it's good for short. I don't think I won this short, you know what I mean? The consultation showed that still trend is my friend and counter trend not so much. You know what I mean? Yeah, screw that. Counter trend, forget it. Send it to Dagestan. I know I'm so banal, I'm so like repetitive with my jokes, but what can I say? This on the contrary It's good in continuation of the trend. I don't know why. I think I know why, yeah. That's why. You knucklehead. Continuation of the trend. That was a spring. Oops. Yeah. Okay, continuation of the trend it is. Is it the level? I didn't like the break and everything, but this continuation of the trend on the year. Is it all three time frames? Oh, sorry. By the way, salsa. What am I doing? Yeah. Wells Fargo. Same deal. Same deal. Yeah, volume is not on. This can rest. Boom. Look at this. Look at this guy. Mm. Yeah. Unvolumed, right? Unvolumed. Let it rest. Okay. Meta. Meta. This is continuation of the trend, right? So, so same deal. And by the way, it's all daily watch rather than yep. Yep. This is continuation of the trend. Okay. It's interesting. It's trend. We got this volume here. Just by the way, a little too big. But still, it's a balance here, so. And it's a trend balance, by the way. By the way, so boom, boom. That was our up thrust. That was a test, it broke on test and went down. It always does. It always does. Unvolumed interaction bar closed above the level. So it doesn't look good, is all I'm saying, but it doesn't prevent Adobe. Technically, still a continuation of the trend. Change direction though. So I mean, oops, sorry. Sorry, arrow. Didn't mean to stretch you over your limit. What am I waiting for? What are you waiting for? I don't know. It's continuation of the trend. And this doesn't matter. And we're looking short. You know, like this. Nike progressive. Progressive, what do I want progressive? Beam, 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 beam. Yeah, it's dangerously close to the level. I'd say the heck. So why am I neglecting? Oh, the months changed, and I wasn't trading. I was like, oh, for 2 weeks. That what happened. That what happened. Mm, don't think that's a real volume. I want to do something bad. I want to go to the grocery store and buy some sweets and eat them. Sorry, guys. I'm such a healthy eater, but sometimes it's just that time of the year. So I don't like this volume at all, but technically, come on. But technically, yeah. There was formally an upthrust, but was visibly close to high. And also, like, there's more volume here. Yeah. Well, I mean, is this volume? I feel like I'm less intelligible when I'm tired. It just says like, screw that. I'm not gonna. And this 0.5 makes no sense. Whole state got a trend, so let's not touch it. We have a saying back home that says, "Don't touch the shit, if it doesn't stink." Or like in other translation, it may be translated, "Don't touch the shit," or it will start stinking. I think that's more accurate. Yeah, none of this looks good. Technically, it's good for like 0.5 before the sign of strength, but practically it's just, yeah, in volume distribution, you see the perfect exhaustion. So and it doesn't need to be perfect and it's not tradable for us. It's just like, oh, look how beautiful it is. It's just like, I'm exhausted. I'm exhausted. I'm in this. There's bigger volume on the way, but in the way, on the way, whatever. Um, but yeah, but yeah, it's 0.5 regardless. Yeah, don't think there's anything good in all of this. Gazprom, Beluga, like some Russian stocks. Sibneft. ENB. Yeah, this looked like it wants to break this balance. Up on volume spring, up thrust and test, and then like bigger volume. Yeah, I think it's getting ready to break. That looks like a good candidate for like buy and hold for dear life. That was brutal though. 140 to 100. It just like came here in 1 year. Yeah, it doesn't look like weakness at all, so don't think so. And this is good continuation of the trend. Probably broke. No, didn't break the, didn't change the direction on D yet. Yeah. Trying to milk my time before I do go do my little sweet crime. Maybe I'll change my mind. Who knows? I don't think so, but still, you know. Mm. So what really happened here is this all doesn't matter. None of this matters. Yeah, yeah, unvolumed. So, bruh, it's getting there to this point five. Correction though. Always be careful on correction. All right. So now volume T1. It's a correction. Yeah. And this volume. Uh, this volume, yeah, big volume build up. Weird to say the very least. What bugs me in the American market is that I have to, like, very essential requirement to the data. It has to be complete, timely, and honest, truthful to reality. And what bugs me on American market that the volume data is incomplete, delayed, and maybe not trustful too. Well, I'm not sure if Binance like data for that matter is trustful as well. I think a lot of volume is emulated, aka they fake the volume. However, it's like blended into real volume, and on average, it gives you like more truthful, timely picture of what's going on. That's how I feel about it. That's how I feel about it. Please, yes, thank you. I was like, please be about to end. Continuation of the trend, whether I like it or not. So is this. What the heck? Was it wrong? What happened here? I don't even know what happened here. Technically, it's good for counter trend. Oops. Yeah, it's so good for counter trend. I'm not gonna touch it. I'm not gonna touch it. It's enough that I occasionally get counter trend. I'm not gonna provoke it, you know what I mean? Yeah, this is not good. Okay, I think that's it for now. I'm gonna go. You guys know what to do.